Hey, what's up everyone? This is me Khaled. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how can you fix the Internet Explorer problem conflicting with Edge. So if you may know now, or like some people facing, Microsoft is pushing Edge heavily because it's considered to be the replacement of the modern browser, same as Chrome now, the Chromium engine. I myself stopped using Chrome for a long time now, and I shifted to Edge. But one of the things that have happened with me recently is I tried to open Internet Explorer, and you might know that Internet Explorer is like hidden. You need to search, for example, inside the Start menu. But what happened recently with me that I was trying to open the Internet Explorer to open like some websites that having ActiveX support, which is not, by the way, supported but by Microsoft Edge, and this is that happened. So when I clicking open, I found the Internet Explorer opening, and then I've been redirected to Microsoft Edge. I tried it. I started to search for this issue. I couldn't find any useful information regarding that. I started to bang my head on the wall, and I discovered how to resolve this issue by doing something from Microsoft Edge itself. So all you have to do is you go here on the three dots icon. You can come down here to the settings, and on the search here, you just start type Internet Explorer, and you will find here an option let tell you that let Internet Explorer open sites in Microsoft Edge. This I believe it's like shown somehow to me when I was opening Microsoft Edge, or like I opened Internet Explorer and then redirected me here, and I believe that I clicked yes open, something like that. So it's changed this to always. So this is mentioning here when browsing Internet Explorer you can choose automatically open sites in Microsoft Edge. This will prevent you to open Internet Explorer fully, and what all you have to do, you have three options here always, which is like what's happening now, that you will open trying to open Internet Explorer and you will find yourself redirected to Edge. Incompatible sites only, which is the sites that it's not working with internet with Microsoft Edge, like the sites that losing ActiveX and stuff. Or never means that like let Microsoft Edge separate and let Internet Explorer alone, let it manage that. So all you have to do is choose never, then you can close the Microsoft Edge, and now if we search for Internet Explorer and trying to open it, it will open back again. So I hope this video is helpful to some people that who couldn't find a solution for that issue, same as mine, and see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for new content, and see you on the next one. Thanks.